Alright, y'all, we're about to do an unboxing in the cave. And as y'all can see, the legend Jordan. Some of his accolades. Let's see, dude. Actually, don't see a pair in this picture, which is kind of odd. But anyway, we're about to get off into it. Oh, hold on, I got one back there. We're about to unbox a pair of those. But anyway, let's get off into it. Y'all see it? All right, y'all, let's talk about the playoff 8s. That's our unboxing for today. And don't even think about getting them.
Hey.
Hey, baby.
Oh, these my shoes?
These are my playoff 8s.
Where mine's at?
On the way.
Oh, they on the way?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, well, let me see these.
What you trying to see?
You'll get these when mine's come.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because I don't think you ordered me none, so you'll get these whenever my shoes come.
I'm doing an unboxing.
Well, you could do the video, the unboxing video when mine's come. Till then, you're just gonna hold off on the video.
Where you? Wow.